You get them? Okay. Nice glasses. Can see them? Sir, as soon as you get this message, call me back.
Come on, Adele, where you round us up? Come on, Adele, come on! Come on, man, you can get at least 6th place. Come on, man, fight!
So who's winning? Is it my imagination? Or you don't seem pleased to see me?
David. Surprised to see you? Not really. And it's always good to see you. I mean, we're friends. I'd like to think we're friends. But first ranking turn up at my office this morning. I happened to see King alive and well and looking very fit. And now you show up here. Coincidence? I don't think so. So let's get to it.
I can appreciate the impact of unexpected visitors. Like the one I had at my office recently. You know, your altar boy?
My altar boy at your office. I'm Anglican. And we don't do public visits. So I have no idea what you're talking about.
Recently, a young man visited my office with a warrant nonetheless, demanding to see all the files, everybody's phone, everything. I must say he was a major pain in the ass.
You know, of late, David, I seem to be the focus, the center of every negative happenings that's coming up, whether in the public space or in the private space, or even in shootings, that I am the suspected target. Why all of a sudden? It's like I am all-knowing, the Almighty. But as far as I am concerned, that's your job. That's what your organization does. So why am I being targeted of late?
Let me help you out. First lesson. You must careful what you say and who you say it to. Now, you can't expect to have looked on a member of my agency and tell them that you intend to shut down the agency by hook or crook
I did say.
and not expect it not to come back to me.